Far beneath the starry surface of the open ocean lies a world of crushing pressure, the 11,000-foot vacuum. As we plunge into the abyss, the sun's rays fracture and dissolve into a deep blue. Down we fall, past 500 meters, 1,000 meters, 2,000 meters, until there is nothing but absolute pitch-black emptiness. In this darkness, fleeting flashes of electric blue bioluminescence hint at alien life. Our lights reveal a constant, gentle blizzard of falling organic debris known as marine snow. Suddenly, a massive glassy eye reflects our beam. A cloaked, mysterious silhouette floats effortlessly in the water column. Spreading its webbed arms, the true master of the deep reveals itself. The vampire squid. Draped in deep, velvety reddish-black skin, it remains perfectly buoyant and motionless, saving every ounce of energy. This is the oxygen minimum zone. It is an environment so starved of oxygen, it is deadly to almost all other life on Earth. Yet here, the solitary vampire squid hovers in absolute, unbothered peace. Despite its dark, webbed vampire cape, which it can invert to reveal soft, fleshy spines called cirri, this creature, first discovered in 1903, is an evolutionary masterpiece. Its scientific name, Vampiroteuthis infernalis, translates to the vampire squid from hell. The tips of its arms glow with brilliant pale blue bioluminescent organs called photophores. By slowly dimming these lights, it creates the perfect visual illusion of shrinking away into the pitch blackness. It navigates not by jetting, but by gently flapping fins that resemble small elephant ears. And then there is the eye. Proportionally the largest eye-to-body ratio of any animal on Earth. These massive lenses are designed to capture and magnify the faintest glimmers of downwelling light. Inside, 3 hearts pump a unique blue blood. Unlike our iron-based red blood, theirs utilizes copper-based hemocyanin to survive these extreme depths. It moves with a slow, hypnotic elegance. But its most unique tools are 2 long, ultra-thin sensory filaments. Capable of extending many times the total length of its body, they drift lazily through the pitch-black water, like elegant fishing lines in the dark. These filaments are perfectly designed to catch marine snow, flakes of dead plankton and biological debris. As a clump of snow drifts by, the long sensory filament makes gentle contact. Microscopic hairs trap and stick to the drifting organic food. Slowly, the squid reels the filament back in toward its webbed arms. Its soft cirri gently scrape the mucus-bound food entirely off the line. Hidden beneath the cape, a sharp beak quietly consumes the gathered meal. This makes the vampire squid the deep sea's gentle garbage collector. Unlike the fierce Humboldt squid hunting violently in shallower waters, the vampire squid floats peacefully, expending virtually 0 calories. Even a large piece of falling fish carcass is completely ignored. It only wants the snow. Cruising in a slow, precise circle, it acts as a living vacuum to filter the water. It rests in an incredibly peaceful, low metabolism state. But suddenly, the water ripples as a massive dark shadow looms from above. A deep-diving predator enters the frame, scanning the dark territory. Instantly, the squid's vibration-sensitive filaments twitch, registering the lethal threat. Snapping into action, the squid pulls its webbed arms straight over its head into an intimidating pineapple posture. The black inside of the web faces outward, displaying a terrifying but completely harmless wall of spines. The predator circles tightly, visibly confused by the sudden change in shape and size. Aggressively, the squid flashes its arm-tip photophores to completely disorient the attacker. And then, its ultimate trick. Instead of spraying dark ink, it ejects a thick cloud of glowing bioluminescent mucus. The dazzling glowing matrix acts as a decoy, completely trapping the predator's visual focus. Shutting off all its body lights, the vampire squid effectively cloaks itself and vanishes into the dark. The predator bites uselessly at the glowing cloud, but the real squid is already gone. Gradually, the vast, deep sea returns to its quiet, eerie, and untouched stillness. Drifting safely away, the squid calmly unfolds its dark cape back to normal. Yet a new, unnatural threat looms on the horizon: deep-sea mining. Industrial machinery and sediment clouds could easily choke these fragile marine snow layers, ruining this ancient habitat. For now, the living relic gently pulses its fins, rising gracefully higher in the dark water. As our submarine lights slowly fade, the prehistoric creature is enveloped once again in its quiet midnight zone.